Okay, this story or poem, it's another poem, just like the last one, is called How to Fight, but it's not maybe what you're expecting. So let me show you what it is. This is a poem by Clint Smith, How to Fight. So you can see the picture, maybe it's not what you expected, and I bet once you read it, you will not think it's maybe what you expected either. But as you read, underline sensory details that help you create mental images about what is happening. So just like the last poem, you're underlining things that help you create that picture, that movie in your mind of what is going on. Because that is how we understand, or part of how we understand what we're reading is by creating a mental image. So underline the details that help you do it. Then there's some questions at the bottom. So make sure you scroll down, because if you don't scroll down, you won't see them. So what challenges did the narrator face? What was hard? What things might have he had to deal with? What, I guess, or she, the picture has a boy. I don't think it specifies. Anyway, what challenges did that person face? What qualities does he or she exhibit to overcome these challenges? So are they brave? Are they smart? Are they funny? Are they thoughtful? Are they loud? So what sort of qualities do they exhibit to overcome the challenges that they faced? And then what is one detail from the passage that supports your answer? So how do you know what in the story tells you that they have those qualities? All right, so just give it your best shot. Listen to it a couple times, read it a couple times. That can really help when it's poetry, because sometimes there's parts you miss the first time or don't quite make sense. Also, if you want me to take a look at it with you, I am more than happy to do so, because I know it can be a little tricky. And if we were in class, I would probably help you along the way. So make sure you ask if you need it. This sort of sets up what's going on, this first side, this first set of lines, first 11 lines. And then the second set of lines gives us a little more context, right? So they're part of a spelling bee, and then it moves into using words to hurt people. Is that how we fight? So spelling bees are a battleground. So this idea that words can help us fight in a different way than physical fighting. All right. Good luck. You got this.